Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing well. Today is Monday, which means mine and Vicky's collaboration. Today we are doing the sort of drag art nail art. You may have seen people doing it on canvases. So they sort of coat a canvas in some white paint and they dip some thread in some coloured paint and they sort of like put it in a pretty way and then pull it, and it sort of creates this really awesome sort of feathery effect. And today me and Vicky from Glitter Sparkle Nail Design are going to be attempting to do this on some nails. So as I'm filming this intro, I have already done the nail art, and to be perfectly honest, I have had the biggest ball ache ever trying to do this, and I'm just not very good at it, to be quite honest. So I'm sorry that this nail art isn't the best of mine at all. It's been quite a fail actually, but it's been a real struggle. It's a lot harder than it looks apparently. I don't know if it's just me or whether it's a chain that I'm using. I'm not sure, but I've attempted this a few times now and it's just not really gone the way I wanted it to. But anyways, I hope you all enjoy the video. Please make sure you go over and check out Vicky's channel. I will link that down in the description box below. But yeah, much love everyone and enjoy.